Greetings friends, some good news. It appears the new chain has arrived. Excellent service from the eBay seller for bearings. There's an eBay seller, sells chains, bearings and stuff, so thank you very much. I only ordered it yesterday off eBay and it was under £10 including postage for a whole metre chain. Oh, look at that. That is a beauty. So that is 1 metre of chain, and that means now that we have everything we need to make the bigger gear to go on the 28 tooth gear cog. So when this is installed on the wind turbine, it'll go from being a 1-to-1 ratio to a 1.55-to-1 ratio, meaning that the motor will be spinning 1.55 times faster than the blades, which will be awesome. There's that. 1 metre of chain and a link for under a tenner. I'll try and put a link to the guy's eBay store because that is excellent service, ordering it one day and receiving it the next. So thank you very much, dude. Right, so yeah, you'll see this. This means don't have to mess around at all. All I have to do is offer it up to the turbine with the right gear selected, work out which pin I want to take out, and then we just use this. So whenever we want to take it off, it's just a case of sliding the top plate off. I'm gonna have to learn the terminology for these. Sliding the top like circlip thing off, and then jobs are good. And so excellent. See you soon. Sweet.